Today's video is going to be very exciting for TikTok lovers and obviously YouTube creators. So let's start. Hello everyone, I am Sadaf and you are watching Live Technology Smart. Few months ago, I made a video where I shared that YouTube was working on launching a new feature within its app very similar to TikTok by the end of this year. Well, guess what? Yesterday, on September 14, YouTube announced a short-form video feature within its app called YouTube Shorts. In their announcement, YouTube explained that they will launch an early version of Shorts first in India with some new creation tools to test it out. They will then continue to add features in it and expand it in more countries in the coming months. According to YouTube, Shorts will allow users to create videos 15 seconds or less. Creators can string multiple clips together. They will also be able to add music to their videos from a huge YouTube library of songs. And just like TikTok, they will also be able to see a timer and a countdown when they begin filming. And there is also an option to control the recording speed. Now, even though Indian creators get to enjoy this feature before the rest of us, there is no need to worry because it looks like YouTube will be expanding this feature all over the world sooner than you think. Here's why. If you haven't noticed already, the feature is already there in the YouTube app for the rest of the world as well. Even if we don't have the tools to create the short videos within the app just yet, you will still be able to make videos which are 60 seconds or less and post them on YouTube. Now, the reason I strongly recommend you to start making such videos, it's because a couple of weeks ago, I began to notice short videos in my app along with the YouTube stories. So if you open the app underneath any video, you will notice a row of videos that says stories and short videos. Upon casually watching and exploring, I noticed that YouTube was randomly recommending those videos all 1 minute or less. And when you open the channels whose videos are being suggested, they don't have tens of thousands of subscribers. I even found videos being suggested to me from the channels with as few as 100 subscribers. And this triggers that YouTube has already actively started promoting these short videos. So if you have such videos on your channel, then there are chances that your video may show up in someone's feed. And this is how you get exposure. And it's not only me who is telling you to make short videos. This is what YouTube said yesterday. People who don't have access to Shorts camera can still upload vertical videos that are under 60 seconds long with the hashtag Shorts in the title or description. And these would still be picked up to be highlighted on the YouTube homepage. So I will highly encourage you to start uploading videos in vertical format. Just remember, you have to film your video in the portrait mode, like vertical, and not in horizontal mode. Even though there's nothing in YouTube Shorts that we haven't seen in TikTok, I still believe YouTube has an edge over TikTok. First, YouTube has a huge audience, like way bigger than TikTok. And second, it gives you the benefit of monetizing your videos. So while you have fun making videos on TikTok and you build a fan following, on YouTube, you may also get an option to make revenue from your videos. With that, it's time to say goodbye. I hope you enjoyed watching my video. I will see you all in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.